You have to cover these trees! Securing this side! The rain is getting worse! I'm going bad times!
Welcome to the world of civilization.
Here inside the extraction chamber, the real transformation begins as nature becomes liquid energy. Pressure spike on pasteurizer 1.
Zooming in, I'll adjust remotely.
Down to 140, logging it.
Confirmed. Back to stable.
Now the juice is ready to enter the final stage before reaching millions of people worldwide. Behind me, thousands of cartons are now entering the final storage phase before global shipment.
Route to North America is clear. Checking inventory.
Confirmed. 5,000 cases of refrigerated crafts.
Confirmed. Moving to loading.
1, 2, 3, in position. Next pallet, secure straps. Final check, close it up. ¡Cuidado arriba! ¡Acá está el contenedor! ¡Listo! ¡Desenganchar ahora! Siguiente contenedor, muévete.
Mom, look! The juice!
Here we go.
Yay! My favorite!
All right, sweetie. From farms to cafes across the world, this ancient fruit has become part of modern daily life.
Fritas!
The chart shows pomegranate juice has the highest polyphenol content. This is punicalagin, a key antioxidant.
The test tube confirms our absorption data.
Input the new figures into the model.
You guys have to try this.
Sales are up 340%. We need to expand.
The Southeast Asia site looks optimal. Let's do it.
The billboard was a huge success.
Agreed. I'll sign off.
Excellent.
And as one global cycle ends, a brand new harvest season begins once again.
This upgrade will handle global demand. Hoist it clear. Ready for install. Alignment good. Bolt it. Test complete. Capacity up 25%. Shaft jam. Cutting now. Clearing debris. It's stuck tight. New shaft ready. It's straight. Route. Yes. High five, team.
The network is expanding. New route to South America is live. This opens up a major new market for us.
Here you go. Cheers.
So good!
Oh, you've got a little mustache.
ancient orchards to millions of tables worldwide, this is how the Vault of Civilizations team transforms nature into one of the world's most powerful juices.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.